Well, let's look at something different. This is a stopwatch. It's an unusual stopwatch, and your job is to guess what it is, what it was used to time. So the first interesting thing about the stopwatch is it runs pretty fast. So you can see the second hand is going pretty quick. So it only takes 6 seconds for it to take one revolution. So it's a 6-second stopwatch, and there's no accumulation. You can't count past 6. There's no other dials or no other ways of doing anything. And so it's marked in red in seconds. So that's 1 second. That's 2 seconds. So it's just 1 through 5, and in red here it says second. So it's 1 through 6 seconds. And then the other scale on the outside is marked yards. So, yards, okay. So in 1 second, it's going about 6, 7, 8, 850 yards. So in 1 second, 850 yards. If you want to pause this video and try to guess what this stopwatch is measuring, pause it now, and let me show you what it is. It's I don't know if you want to call it a submarine watch or an anti-submarine watch. Probably both. It was probably used in submarines and trying to catch submarines. And so here's a boat. Here's the water. And so how do you locate submarines in the water? Well, you ping them. So you send out some sound wave, and the sound wave goes off, and it strikes the object, and it reflects back. And so you hear a ping when you energize it. And then when you hear a reflection, it goes ping. And the time between ping and ping is what you're going to measure. So you're going to set your sonar, and you're going to go ping, and then you're going to go ping, and you're going to say, that was 2 seconds. That is about 1,700 yards. So what is the dial measuring? Well, it's the speed of sound in water in yards, but not exactly. It's actually half of the speed of sound in water, because it takes a round trip. So from here to here is actually double the distance. So it takes twice as long for the ping to come back for a particular distance. So that's how this watch is calibrated. So if you ever are chasing submarines or other things, it's a cool stopwatch. It's got some markings on the back. It's got a bunch of numbers. It says 19. Well, it's got a really long number. I'll read it. 6645-99-520-9365. And then it says 2156/91. And max time 1 hour. So I don't know if this is a government issue. I would imagine. I mean, who else wants this thing? Made by CWC. I forget what that stands for. But yeah, it is I call it my submarine watch.